Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox my new purchase. This is one of the upgrade that I did with one of my kitchen stuff. So I ordered this one through Amazon, and I see it in the receipt that this is actually shipped from a store in Montreal, wine and tableware INC. So let's open this one. So I actually let's move it. So actually I opened this one already. So I will choose this. So the box comes with this like a styro, it's like a styrofoam, but it's a nicely made styrofoam. Looks like a treat. What should I say? This one up. Look. Here's the first one. So this is what it looks like. So these mugs will replace my current coffee mugs that I have. This is called a Cosy mug, 6 pieces of 12 and 3/8 ounces. So this is made in France, Duralex. So there is like this logo on the side, and I check on the website, and this is like non-toxic, like there's no lead on it or the other toxic chemicals that when it comes in touch with our food, especially if it's hot, then it would, emit this toxic chemicals. So let's open this one. Okay, so this is the mug. It's a see-through one. It's pure crystal, pure glass, and it says here at the back, Duralex, made in France. I don't know if you can see that, but there's that. And it's also have like a sticker right here that says the model of, or the, I don't know if it's called model, like Cosy, and how much liquid you can put in it, like 12 and 3/8 ounces. And it says here I think this is the manufacturing site, 45380 La Chapelle, I don't know if I say it right, Saint-Mesmin, France. So yeah, so this one is the glass. Okay, so let's try to remove this one here. Okay, my review on the glass. On the site, like on the picture, most of the pictures that I see with this mug actually is that it's like a little bit smoky. So you know that it has this double wall kind of effect, kind of look, but actually it's super clear, right? So, but if you have your hands on it or something, like it becomes like that. It's a little bit smoky. But yeah, I would prefer like a bigger glass, I would say. They have bigger than this, but they don't. And because right now the one that I have is like, I think it holds over 14 or 15 ounces, like the coffee mug that we currently have, and this is only holds like 12. So it's not super, and it's not super thick. We'll see how long would it take to, to crack this one and whatnot. And it says it's dishwasher safe. See about that. I'm for sure give you some updates afterwards, like after we use this one. And I can see as well the way they made it. It seems like the mold, you can still see it. If you can see, like there's like a line. See the line is like the line from the mold, and so I see the other side. I don't know if it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, but yeah, you can see like the lines here. So it's like the two sides merged together kind of thing. So yeah, so that's the handle. So if you have like having coffee and it's hot, yeah, it would work probably. But if you have like big fingers or whatnot, you might be a little bit careful on holding your glass, because this is not double wall, it's like a single one. So it means if you put something here that is hot, then you can feel it right here, unlike with the double wall that you barely feel the temperature if it's hot. So yeah, so this is the nuts. Yeah, this one right there. So there you go, guys. That's gonna be my coffee mug or tea mugs every day from now on. And please let me know if you have any suggestions or if you have any reviews. If somebody uses this mug before, you can write down on the comments on a review, or if there is better than this that you currently have. Yeah, please hit the comments below, and I will check on it, because yeah, we'll see. So that's all for today, and I hope you like my videos and follow my journey on updating my kitchen wares into a non-toxic one from just anything. And just a little bit of disclosure, we try to have the new kitchenwares to be either made in Canada, if you can find like the non-toxic kind that's made in Canada, or the neighboring country. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye for now.